We're making a stop at Vi's house. Hey, I'm getting dirty. It's my only clean pair of pants. Too late. Yeah, don't jump. They're a little too enthusiastic for me right now. That's her house. My pants are now dirty. But I don't mind. It's dog dirt. God made dogs and dogs make dirt. He is just too enthusiastic.
He's probably the youngest.
I wanted to check out her fire pit, but I don't want to get mauled again. I'll sit here and drink my beer. Let's see if I can try again. He's distracted by food. I'm gonna try to make my way back. He's eating faster because he knows. There's another puppy. Hey. I was just filming your place. Is this a different house?
Yes. Desorden. I have a desorden over here because I'm painting.
Uh-huh.
Come and look.
Yeah, I'd like to see your fire pit.
Well, it's a very old house, so I'm painting, I'm repairing, I'm painting. I do a toilet. I do a new toilet. Come and look.
So you're gonna rent this place out?
Yeah, maybe. Every room have a toilet or a. You have this.
Nice.
It's small, but I like, and I have this window, so you can see a jungle in the backside.
Nice.
There. Come and look. But the animals coming in one day, and they dirt everything.
Yeah. He jumped on my pants earlier and got me a little dirty.
The animals always. My son's motto.
Nice.
And this is the backside. It's like a jungle where we put the clothes. Have a room up there. You
Cool.
see?
Yeah.
With plants growing up there. And I have an avocado tree here. So when we need avocado, we come and collect avocado in between the. This is my avocado trees.
Oh, these are avocados? Cool.
Yes. So always I have avocado, but I must pick it up from the floor when I found it. Before the chickens or the dogs.
I love avocados, one of my
Over
favorites.
there is room, toilet, and all that. So
Very cool.
this is where we wash the clothes. Where I have my weapons to spear fishes, my equipment, and my disorder.
Very cool.
This is kitchen. It's close. It's a very old house. That one is a little bit new. Have 2 rooms up. Every room here have toilet. My son when he's angry.
I've done that before.
This is the kitchen. That was my mother with my sister and me when we was child. My grandfather and his father who was from Scotland. So I have some Scottish DNA. My father, my mother, when we was family, my grandfather, my sister when she was little, Me and my son. Long time ago. This is the family.
Very cool.
Yeah. Look, my mother when she was young, candidate for Bee Queen with a pareo dress. You see a blue dress.
Very cool.
And that's me when I used to have my dog. For 20 years, I have that dog, and
Wow.
then he died. Cochon was his name.
That's a long time. It's all the good food here. They live longer.
Yeah.
And this is your fire.
Yesterday we used here to make barbecue, sit down and drink beer. This is our coffee plants too, but the fruit is not ready. And I have all the avocados growing in here. Look,
Wow.
come and look here. I have so many avocados there. Well, they're still tiny, they're not ready. But if you have avocado trees in your garden, it's the best because you will always can eat avocado.
I love avocados. So good for you.
Oh yeah. One day I bring the seed in my socks, and this is a grass that grows in the field of Rapa Nui, but I bring the seeds in my socks, so probably the seeds somehow, some way they arrive there and grow in the roof. You see?
So you're gonna leave it up there? You like that?
No, but it was funny because I bring the seed in my clothes because this is a grass that doesn't belong to the city, to Hanga Roa. It's of the other side of Rapa Nui, where we was the other day.